Hello friends, welcome to UGPG Mathematics. Let us see the question. The number of roots of this equation z raised to 7 minus 5z cube plus 12 is equal to 0 lying between the circles mod z is equal to 1 and mod z is equal to 2 is. The options are 3, 7, 4 and 0. Now ये क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है आपको कि इस इक्वेशन के इसमें इस रीजन में कितने रूट्स है. ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज दिस mod z इज इक्वल टू 1 मीन्स दिस सर्कल, राइट. सेंटर एट 0, radius is 1, right. So similarly mod z is equal to 2 means center at 0, radius is 2. So this is this circle mod z is equal to 2. Now हमें क्या बोला है कि इसके रूट्स बिटवीन द सर्कल्स, दैट मीन्स mod z इक्वल टू 1 इज दिस सर्कल एंड mod z इज इक्वल टू 2 इज दिस सर्कल. और इसके बीच में बिटवीन दिस टू सर्कल्स मतलब दिस रीजन, ये जो एनुलस है यहाँ पे उसके कितने रूट्स एग्जिस्ट होते हैं. ठीक है. तो हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है इस रीजन में उस फंक्शन के कितने रूट्स होते हैं. तो ये बहुत ही सिंपल है, इसको आप सिर्फ एक थ्योरम यूज़ करके सॉल्व कर सकते हो. सो व्हाट इज़ दैट थ्योरम? थ्योरम इज जस्ट, it is called Ruchi's theorem. We state that if f and g are both analytic functions inside and on a closed contour C, मतलब क्लोज्ड कर्व आप सी लोगे तो उसमें वो फंक्शंस एनालिटिक होने चाहिए इनसाइड एंड ऑन दैट क्लोज्ड कर्व सी. एंड इफ द कंडीशन, this condition holds for all z on this C, then this f of z and this is small f plus g have the same number of roots or zeros inside C. So this theorem says that अगर आपके पास f and g कोई भी फंक्शंस है तो और वो एनालिटिक है, then f plus g के जो रूट्स, the number of roots for this function f plus g are same as the number of roots of the function f. ठीक है. तो इसके रूट्स, number of roots is same as the number of roots of this single function f inside this curve C. ठीक है. So इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे यूजिंग दिस थ्योरम? So look at this equation. So this equation is just, now we can write this equation as, now हमें क्या चाहिए, दो पार्ट्स चाहिए. ठीक है. f प्लस जी एंड f, उसको ऐसे लिखना है कि हम वो कंडीशन अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, वो mod of g of z is strictly less than mod of f of z. ठीक है. इन शॉर्ट इट इज़ mod g is less than mod f. अगर ऐसा होता है then the number of roots of f plus g is same as number of roots of f. ठीक है. मतलब जो फंक्शन यहाँ पे है उसके रूट्स इज सेम एज द नंबर ऑफ रूट्स ऑफ दिस f plus g. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. नाउ f plus g इसको हम ऐसे लिखेंगे. सो फर्स्ट फिक्स दिस c is equal to mod z is equal to 1. That means we are in this circle 0 to 1. Now once we fix this c, let us just look at this modulus of z raised to 7 minus 5z cube, right? So this is just less equal. Now modulus of any two numbers addition a plus b is always less equal modulus of a plus modulus of b. So use this, we will get this mod plus modulus of minus 5z cube, right? Now this is just same as mod of z whole thing raised to 7 plus Now this is just same as mod of -5 into mod of z cube, right? But modulus of -5 is just 5 and modulus of z cube is just same as mod of z the whole cube, right? Now we are in mod z is equal to 1, right? We are in this disk. So inside and on C, that means we have mod z is less equal 1. ठीक है, कर्व के इनसाइड एंड ऑन जो वैल्यूज होंगे z के लिए वो ये इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई करेंगे. सो अप्लाई दिस कंडीशन हियर. सो मॉड ऑफ z इज लेस इक्वल 1 मीन्स इसका अगर आपने पावर लिया 7 तो दिस इज ऑलवेज लेस इक्वल 1⁻7 विच इज जस्ट 1. सो दिस इज लेस इक्वल 1 प्लस सिमिलरली मॉड z is less equal 1, so mod z cube is less equal 1 cube which is 1. So this is 5 into 1, right? This 5. So this is 1 plus 5, so this is just equal to 6, right? So we have mod of z raised to 7 minus 5 times z cube is less equal 6, right? Now look at mod of 12. We know that modulus of 12, this is just a number, so this is just equal to 12. So 6 is strictly less than 12, which is equal to modulus of 12, right? Now we will call this function as, say, g. So call this as g, call this as f, right? Now what is our f plus g? F plus g is just equal to this 12 plus, so f plus g is just equal to 12 plus what is g? It is just z raised to 7 minus 5 z cube, right? Which is same as the given function z raised to 7 minus 5 z cube plus 12, right? And by Rouché's theorem we have number of roots for this function f are same as the number of roots of this function f plus g, that means the given equation, right? So just calculate the number of roots of this function f. Now this 12 is just a constant function, right? तो उसको तो कोई रूट्स होंगे ही नहीं क्योंकि वो 12 इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0 है ना, तो उसको तो रूट्स है ही नहीं. दैट मीन्स देर आर नो रूट्स फॉर दिस फंक्शन एफ इनसाइड एंड ऑन दिस मॉड जेड इज इक्वल टू 1, दिस कर्व है ना, हम मॉड जेड इज इक्वल टू 1 के लिए देख रहे थे. सो बाय Rouché's theorem this function f plus g has no roots in this mod z is equal to 1, and therefore we have the conclusion that for this function for mod z is equal to 1 we have no roots, right? That means there are 0 roots, 0 number of roots, right? So keep this aside. I will call this, so number of roots I will call this as n1 is equal to 0 in mod z is equal to 1. So generally we will denote this. If we have mod z is equal to say r, then the number of roots inside this curve c is just nr, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे 1 रेडियस का रीजन है जो सर्कल है, therefore I have called this as n1, ठीक है. So n1 is 0. The number of roots in this region is just 0. Now we will calculate the number of roots in this mod z is equal to 2. So for this the notation is n2, right? Number of roots in mod z is equal to 2. So for this fix this mod z is equal to 2. Now for all those points which are inside and on this curve C, we have modulus of z is less equal to, right? क्योंकि देखो अगर आपके पास mod z is equal to 2 ऐसा सर्कल है तो ये जो सारे पॉइंट्स है अंदर के एंड ऑन दिस कर्व C, वो तो ये इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई करेंगे ना, mod z is less equal to. right? So we just have to find out what is n2. now जैसे हमने पहले किया था f प्लस जी इसको, तो उसी तरह इसको भी स्प्लिट करेंगे f प्लस जी एंड f में, सो दैट मॉड ऑफ g इज लेस देन मॉड ऑफ f आ जाए, ठीक है? सो नाउ we will write this function as, first we take mod of 5z cube plus 12, right? So what is this equal to? This is always less equal mod of minus 5z cube plus mod of 12, ठीक है? and this is just same as हमने पहले भी देखा था, mod of this number is just 5 times mod z its cube and plus modulus of 12, this is just a number 12, so this is just equal to 12. now we are here mod z is less equal to, right? so mod of z cube, just take cube, so which is less equal to cube, right? so we have this is less equal 5 into 2 cube, this 12 is as it is, right? now this is just equal to 52, right? because this is 8 into 5, so 40 plus 12 is 52, and hence we have mod of 5z cube plus 12 is less equal 52. now look at the remaining portion of this equation. we have taken this z raised to 7 is just remaining, so what is mod of z raised to 7? this is just equal to mod z whole thing raised to the 7. now here we have mod z is less equal to, so take raised to 7, so mod of z raised to 7 is less equal mod of 2 raised to 7, right? so this is less equal 2 raised to 7. so and clearly this 2 raised to 7 is strictly greater than 52, which is just equal to mod z raised to, so modulus of z raised to 7, right? so यहाँ पे क्या कर दिया हमने, g is this function which is minus 5z cube plus 12, and this is our f, and we have mod of g is strictly less than mod of f, right? this is strictly less than mod of f, so z raised to 7 is function k. how many roots are there? this is just 0 0 0, right? this is 7 times, and now we are in mod z is equal to 2, so 0 is inside this region, mod z is equal to 2, and hence for this z raised to 7 there are 7 zeros or 7 roots inside this c is equal to, c is mod z is equal to 2, and we have used this notation that n2 means the number of roots of the function f plus g in c, where this c is mod z is equal to 2, right? so which is just equal to, now we have just seen that f को कितने roots थे, number of roots are 7, so Ruchi's theorem से f plus g के, that means for this equation we have number of roots is also 7, so we have n2 is just equal to 7. now the important thing is we have to just focus on the region between these two circles, right? this annulus, और हमने पहले देखा था कि n1 is 0, right? and n2 अभी देखा this is equal to 7. तो क्या करते हैं, जो भी ये पार्ट है बीच का, वो दोज मेनी नंबर्स ऑफ रूट्स हमें निकाल के बाहर रखने, क्योंकि हमें क्या चाहिए, सिर्फ यहाँ पे जो रूट्स होते हैं ना वो चाहिए, राइट? That means for this region 1 लेस देन मॉड z लेस देन 2. ठीक है, इस रीजन के चाहिए, तो इसलिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, जस्ट टेक n2 माइनस n1. ठीक है, so which is just equal to 7 minus 0, so this is 7. So there are 7 roots or 7 zeros in this given region for this function or equation z raised to 7 minus 5 z cube plus 12 is equal to 0. So this second option is the correct option. I hope you like this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you find this useful. Thank you.